Hi everyone, it's ASKA here. Today I'm going to share 3 solutions to make thin nails stronger. Do you ever feel like, my nails are so flimsy, they bend or break so easily? Or maybe, my nails have gotten thin from wearing gel too often. If that sounds like you, I really recommend trying the methods I'll show you in this video. We'll go over how to grow your nails back to a healthy state, how to instantly add thickness and strength with professional products, and even how to reinforce them without spending extra money. I'll explain each method in detail depending on your goal, so let's get started. First, let's take a look at why nails get thin. Of course, some people are naturally born with thin nails. But actually, many people experience thinning nails after continuing gel nails for a while. And there are 3 main reasons for that. The first reason is peeling gel off by force. When the gel starts lifting, some people find it too troublesome to remove it properly and just peel it off. Doing this strips away the surface of your natural nail, leaving it thinner in just one go. Recently, peel-off base gels have become popular, but some types don't peel off easily. That can also cause thinning when they're removed improperly. The second reason is overfiling. If you apply too much pressure while sanding during prep, or file the entire nail surface every single time, your nails will gradually get thinner. The third reason is repeated removal. Using acetone again and again can cause excessive dryness, making your nails weak and eventually thin. Once a nail becomes thin, that part can never return to its original thickness. That's why prevention is key. But if your nails are already thin, how should you approach them? So let's look at the solutions. The first method is for those who want to bring thin nails back to a healthy condition. In this case, it's best to take a break from gel nails. Instead, use a nail care item designed to help your natural nails grow. My top recommendation is the professional brand OPI's Nail Envy. The Nail Envy series is formulated with repairing and strengthening ingredients that protect thin nails. It doesn't make your nails rock hard, but even soft nails become more resistant to breaking. By layering it daily, you can gradually grow stronger, healthier nails. Plus, Nail Envy also comes in tinted versions, so you can enjoy pretty nails like polish while still protecting them. It's the perfect item for those who want to pose gel nails but still care for their natural nails. Next is for those who want to reinforce their nails immediately and still enjoy gel nails. For that, you can use a professional product called hard gel. There are 2 main types of gel: soft gel and hard gel. Soft gel can be removed with remover, while hard gel cannot. But once cured, hard gel becomes very strong. By applying hard gel to your nails and curing it, you'll get hard, durable nails. One important tip here: don't apply hard gel directly onto thin, flexible nails. Thin nails bend easily in everyday life. If you apply hard gel directly, the natural nail will flex under the hard coating, causing the gel to lift or crack. So first, apply and cure a base gel as a cushion layer. Then, apply hard gel on top. The base acts like padding, making the nails last much longer. Finally, here's a method for those who want reinforcement without extra cost. Most gels sold for general use are soft gels, which don't provide much hardness on their own. This is where acrylic powder, normally used for acrylic sculpting, comes in handy. Sprinkle acrylic powder evenly over your nails after applying base gel. Then cure it with a lamp. And apply another layer of base gel on top before curing again. This creates a hardness almost equal to hard gel. The great thing about this method is that if you already have acrylic powder, you don't need to buy special hard gel separately. So, what do you think of these 3 solutions for thin nails? 1. Using OPI Nail Envy to grow and protect your nails. 2. Reinforcing instantly with hard gel for professional level strength. 3. Using acrylic powder for an easy budget-friendly way to add thickness. By choosing the method that fits your goals and lifestyle, you can enjoy gel nails even with thin nails. If one of these sounds right for you, definitely give it a try. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, please hit the like button. And if you like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye.